I think it's important to lead by example. And for me, that means working hard. It means being approachable and easy to work with, and jumping in to help wherever you can, regardless of what your title is. What I recognize as good leadership here are those leaders that have those similar kinds of qualities and really want to show their teams that they are not just the leader of the team, but also part of the team. Years ago, when I was part of the mechanical engineering group, I was part of a team that was developing our second generation of express technology. And we had a very high-profile customer that we were intending to ship some of this brand new equipment to, which of course didn't go quite as planned, right? So there was a point where it was kind of an all hands on deck effort. And I remember being on site and being at the facility. We were taking shifts rebuilding some of this equipment. And there was a point where it was myself, our lead mechanical engineer, engineering project manager, and our VP of engineering were sitting around in a ceiling space, literally with wrenches and rags and taking things apart and putting them back together. And I think that just really showed a commitment to not only the product, but to that particular customer that really needed us to come through. So that, again, kind of top down the organization, the leadership was there, the team was there, and we were in the middle of the night trying to get things done.